Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean up old, uncleared transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever looked through your bank register and noticed old transactions still sitting there uncleared, this process will help you review them properly and decide the safest way to clean them up. Old, uncleared transactions can happen for many reasons. Sometimes a payment was never processed, a bank connection missed an update, or a transaction was entered incorrectly. Over time, these old items can make your bank register harder to understand and can create confusion during reconciliation. The goal here is not just to remove clutter, but to make sure your books stay accurate while avoiding changes that could affect prior reporting periods. It's important to remember that cleaning up your register does not always mean deleting transactions. The safest approach is to first understand why a transaction exists and then choose the correct solution based on the situation. To begin, go to the gear icon and open the chart of accounts. From there, find the bank account you want to review, then click View Register. This is where you'll be able to look directly at the transaction history for that account. Your bank register contains a record of money coming in and going out of that account, so reviewing it carefully helps you identify items that need attention without affecting other areas of your bookkeeping. Once you're in the register, use the filters so you only see transactions with a reconcile status of Not Reconciled. You'll also want to expand the date range far enough back to include those older transactions that may have been sitting there for months or even years. This helps you isolate exactly what still needs attention, instead of scrolling through everything manually. For example, if you only review the current month, you may miss transactions from previous years that are still affecting your reconciliation process. Expanding the date range gives you a complete picture of what is outstanding. After you've identified the old, uncleared items, the next step is to determine the right cleanup method. This is very important because not every old transaction should be handled the same way. Each transaction should be reviewed individually. A duplicate payment, an incorrect entry, and an old outstanding check may all appear similar in your register, but they require different solutions. If you discover that a transaction is a duplicate, or it was entered by mistake, or it never actually happened, then you can remove it. Click on the transaction, choose More, and then select Delete or Void depending on what's appropriate. In general, this method is best for clear errors. Before you do that though, make sure you understand why the transaction is there and confirm that it really should not remain in your records. Deleting transactions without reviewing them first can remove important financial history. Always verify the details, especially if the transaction relates to customer payments, vendor payments, or previous reconciliations. For historical checks or payments that are old and simply never cleared, do not delete them just to force the register to look clean. Removing historical transactions can create problems, especially if they relate to a closed tax year or prior financial reports. Instead, the safer approach is to offset the balance in the current period. You can do that by creating a journal entry or by entering a reversing deposit or check, depending on the situation. The purpose is to bring the outstanding balance to zero without changing the original historical record. This approach keeps your financial records more reliable because the original transaction history remains available for review, while the current account balance is corrected. As a general tip, take your time during this review and make sure you can explain why each transaction is being deleted, voided, or offset. A good bookkeeping practice is to keep notes about any adjustments you make. This makes it easier for you, your accountant, or your bookkeeper to understand what happened later. That way, your register stays cleaner, your reconciliations become easier, and your financial history remains intact where it needs to be. Regularly reviewing uncleared transactions can also help you catch bookkeeping issues earlier and keep your QuickBooks Online records organized throughout the year. That's the process for cleaning up old, uncleared transactions in QuickBooks Online.